Hey, what is up everyone? This is Karan here. Welcome back again to Tech Karan YouTube channel. Pixel Experience Plus version, official version for the Redmi Note 8 users based on Android version 11 with the latest security patch of December 2021 is already here, and it was available maybe 3 days ago, but I was a little bit busy. So yes, we have installed it, using it on our device. Seems to be quite good as expected. And if you're a Pixel experience lover, if you always use Pixel based custom ROMs on your device, then you might definitely love this ROM. This is the Pixel Experience Plus edition, and if we move on to the Google Photos, which is right now in custom ROMs a major thing to think about, you have the unlimited photos quality to backup. By the way, you have the storage saver quality, which is of course not bad, but if you still want the original quality, I have a trick available for that. If you didn't try it out that yet, you can go and check it out. A video already available on our Hindi channel. You can get that thing in the updates channel also, so make sure to check out that. Things are pretty much same. This is a good choice to try out on a device. It's just my opinion, but depends upon how are your feelings, how you think about these custom ROMs. You have the Google Assistant, which is working fine. I didn't got any issues in the Google Assistant. You can swipe from the left bottom or swipe from the right bottom. Things will be fine for you. Quick settings panel, as this is Android version 11, so yes, same kind of things available. If you think Android 12 is good enough for you to use on your device, you can. That is not a bad deal, but right now in my opinion, only few custom ROMs are available, and also only few devices support good Android 12 custom ROMs, which excludes Redmi Note 8. Redmi Note 8 does not have a good Android 12 ROM yet. It's just my opinion. As always, the camera which you get pre-installed is a normal snap camera. It's not the Google Camera Go edition, it's not the MIUI camera. Even this is Android version 11, but yes, it's all about users' opinion. By the way, this is about the things that we have this in official version. This is about Redmi Note 8 only. Let's see other things which we have in this custom ROM, which seems to be good. The Magisk, which I have installed, is the latest version, Magisk 23 as expectedly, and yes, this is good that you have the safeness status pass. I'll show you that how you can pass the safeness status. By the way, I made a video already on that. You need to hide Magisk from settings. This is a major thing to keep this thing in mind, because if you don't hide Magisk from settings, the safeness status will not be passed for you. I think so. And if you don't want to root your device, as some users don't root their devices, don't worry, safeness status will still be passed for you. I made a video on DTS Ultra, and you can go and check it out on our Hindi channel. You can get that sound mode on your device if you want to. Things look quite good, but yes, it's all about users' opinion. As I previously mentioned you, this ROM seems to be quite good. It's just my preference, it's just my opinion. Other things are, you can see, customizations or features, whatever you want to talk about. Pixel Experience Plus always does not have any kind of customizations for you, but some useful things are already included. For example, a face unlock, which is of course not available in Android 12 yet so far, but yes, we might get that very soon, but right now we don't have that. Other things, for example, customizations or features, gestures, has the same kind of things available for you. Buttons, you can customize, control playback, etc. Status bar customizations, of course you can enable seconds or etc. Everything else is same. Including that, you also have the OTA updates option available for you, as I am only one of the users who didn't even update it even once from OTA, a custom ROM I'm talking about. So I'm not sure if this will work for you, but it's available if you want to give it a try. And for kind of information how you can install this, make sure you have the Pixel Experience Custom Recovery installed. How you will get the Pixel Experience Custom Recovery, you have the image, simply move on to your existing custom recovery. If you're using Orange Fox or if you're using TWRP, install image and recovery will be installed for you. Installation process, I've already shown you how you can install this. Very simple things, and this is all from today's video. The link for this build is in the description. All the guidance goes to developer. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air.